In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a WordPress website in just 10 minutes using Hostinger. Whether you're launching a new blog, an online portfolio, or even a small business site, getting up and running with WordPress doesn't have to be complicated or time consuming. In fact, I'll show you how quick and straightforward it can be. So let's dive right in. First things first, the journey begins at Hostinger, one of the most popular web hosting providers known for its affordability and ease of use. So go ahead and open up your web browser and navigate to the Hostinger website. This will be your go-to platform for setting up your WordPress website. Once you're on the Hostinger homepage, look towards the top right corner and click on the login button. If you already have an account, simply enter your credentials here. If not, you'll need to sign up, which involves entering a bit of personal information and choosing a password. Hostinger makes this process quite seamless. After logging in, you'll land on what's known as the Hostinger Control Panel, or H Panel. This dashboard is where you manage all things related to your hosting services. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with its layout because you'll be spending some time here as you maintain your website. Now find the section labeled Website, which is usually located on the left sidebar of your H panel. Clicking on Website will bring up several options, but for our purposes today, look for the Add Website button. This feature is designed to help you start fresh with a new website, and its intuitive interface makes this step incredibly user-friendly. With that, you're ready to add WordPress. You should see a prominent button labeled WordPress. Click on that. Hostinger offers an easy WordPress setup, which means you don't need any technical background or coding knowledge to proceed. This is the beauty of using Hostinger along with WordPress. It's designed to cater to beginners while also providing enough capabilities for more advanced users. In just a few clicks, your WordPress website will be set up on Hostinger. You'll have access to a wide range of themes and plugins to customize your site exactly how you want it. The backend features you'll have at your fingertips will allow management, content creation, and much more, making your ideas come to life on the web. And there you have it, a fully functional WordPress website created in minutes using Hostinger. Be sure to explore and take advantage of all the resources available to you through Hostinger and WordPress to make your website uniquely yours. Happy web developing!